Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to teach you the phrases of bring. If you are adding some preposition or other meanings or noun with the meaning of bring, it is going to make a very interesting meaning each time that we guys can use in our day-to-day life conversation. Only this is how we guys can improve our spoken English. Guys, truly speaking, if you're going to apply these, this 30 days phrases challenge in your day-to-day life conversation, you are going to learn English, you are going to enhance your spoken English conversation. And guys, these are the 10 phrases of bring. Okay, so this is going to be the day 23. I already have uploaded 22 videos, 22 days have completed with this 30 days challenge. So I am consistent with my teaching process. You guys have to be consistent in your learning journey. In your learning journey, if you are consistent, you are going to learn a lot because consistency is the key of success. Consistency is the key of any kinds of learning. So without any further delay, let's get started. Guys, the phrase number first, that is bring about. Bring about means हासिल करना. किसी चीज को हासिल करना ही bring about है. So we are going to take two examples. By those examples you will get it easily. Example number 1, I will bring about this job come what may. कुछ भी हो जाए मैं इस जॉब को हासिल कर लूंगा. कुछ भी हो जाए मैं इस जॉब को हासिल कर लूंगा. Okay. Example number 2, truly speaking, I have to bring about my aim, that is becoming an IAS officer. मतलब सच ही बोल रहा हूँ कि मुझे अपने एम को हासिल करना है, जो कि आईएएस बनना है. कि मुझे आईएएस बनना है, मैं अपने एम को हासिल करके ही रहूंगा. सो दिस इज हाउ वी गाइस कैन use the examples in our day-to-day life conversation. So I have provided you two examples with this meaning. You guys can form multiple these kinds of sentences, multiple sentences, guys, and that you guys can use in your day-to-day life conversation easily, guys. Okay, so let's jump into the second phrase. Okay, guys, the phrase number 2, that is bring along, that is really interesting, that we guys might have seen in the newspaper or anywhere. That is bring about. Bring about means that is bring along. Bring along means होता है साथ ले जाना, साथ ले आना या साथ ले जाना. So we are going to take two examples. By the examples you will be able to understand easily. So example number 1, he brought a girl along with him in the party. यानी कि वह अपने साथ पार्टी में एक गर्ल लेकर आया. गर्ल यानी कि लड़की लेकर आया. So this is the example number 1. Example number 2, you don't have to bring your naughty son along with you in the school. कृपया तुम्हें अपने नटखटी सन को, नटखटी बच्चे को, बेटे को अपने साथ स्कूल में नहीं लाना है. So these are the two examples that I have provided you, but you guys can make multiple sentences by using this phrase, this very, very interesting phrase, guys. So let's come into the next one. Guys, the phrase number 3, that is bring back. Bring back means होता है याद दिलाना. So we are going to take two examples. Example number 1, please can you bring me back my childhood. क्या तुम मेरे बचपन की यादों को याद दिला सकते हो, बचपन को याद दिला सकते हो. Example number 2, that is he brought back me about the homework. यानी कि उसने होमवर्क के बारे में याद दिलाया. So these are the two examples that we guys have taken with the meaning of bring back. So let's come into the next one. Guys, the phrase number 4, that is bring off. OFF. Okay, so bring off means होता है कामयाब होना. Example number 1, don't you wanna bring off in your category. क्या तुम अपनी कैटेगरी में कामयाब नहीं होना चाहते हो. Example number 2, that is you will bring off in this business. यानी कि तुम इस बिजनेस में कामयाब होगे. Okay, so these are the two examples with this phrase. Guys, the phrase number 5, that is bring down. Bring down ये होता है गिराना, कम करना किसी को. यदि कोई ऊंचाई पे जा रहा है तो उसको गिराओ. Okay, not physically but mentally. Okay, so I am going to take two examples here. Example number one, that opposition party has brought down the government. Okay, उस अपोजिशन पार्टी ने जो अभी प्रेजेंट की गवर्नमेंट है ना उसे गिरा दिया, यानी कि उसे हरा दिया. Okay, example number two, that is really interesting that I'm going to take here. That is, my confidence level has been brought down nowadays. Really speaking, it is, I am speaking from my heart. Guys, the phrase number sixth, that is bring into. Bring into means होता है to involve someone or something, यानी कि किसी को किसी चीज में involve करना. Okay, so we are going to take two examples. You will be able to understand by the examples. Okay, example number one, don't try to bring your personal matter into the office. यानी कि तुम अपने personal matters को ऑफिस में लाने का, इन्वॉल्व करने का प्रयास मत करो. यानी कि हम कभी कभी देखते हैं ना कि कोई अपनी पर्सनल चीजें ही किसी काम में घुसेड़ देता है. So this is the example that I have provided you with this meaning, that is bring into. Example number two, don't try to bring him into the party. यानी कि उसे पार्टी में इन्वॉल्व करने का प्रयास मत करो. Okay, so these are the two examples that I have provided you with this meaning, bring into. So let's jump into the next one, or seventh phrase. Okay, guys, the phrase number seventh, that is bring away. Bring away means होता है सीखना, something, to learn something. Okay, so we are going to take two examples here. Example number one, you guys are bringing away spoken English with me. तुम लोग मेरे साथ स्पोकन इंग्लिश सीख रहे हो. ओके, एग्जाम्पल नंबर टू, आई एम ब्रिंगिंग अवे द न्यू थिंग्स नाउअडेज. मैं अभी आजकल नई नई चीजें सीख रहा हूँ. सो दीज आर द एग्जाम्पल्स विद दिस मीनिंग, दैट इज ब्रिंग अवे. इज द फ्रेज नंबर 8, दैट इज ब्रिंग फॉरवर्ड. ब्रिंग फॉरवर्ड मीन्स होता है समय आगे बढ़ा देना, समय को आगे बढ़ा देना. सो वी आर गोइंग टू टेक टू एग्जाम्पल्स. एग्जाम्पल नंबर वन, ब्रिंग द मीटिंग हैज बीन brought forward from 11 AM to 12 PM. यानी कि मीटिंग को 11 AM से 12 PM की तरफ बढ़ा दिया गया है. 11 AM में होने वाली थी लेकिन 12 PM को कर दी गई. ओके, एग्जाम्पल नंबर टू, आई हैव brought my reading schedule from I have brought forward my रीडिंग स्केड्यूल फ्रॉम मॉर्निंग टू इवनिंग. यानी कि मैंने अपनी रीडिंग स्केड्यूल को मॉर्निंग से इवनिंग को बढ़ा दिया. यानी कि जो मॉर्निंग में पढ़ता था उसे इवनिंग में पढ़ने लगा. ओके, सो दीज आर द टू एग्जांपल्स विद दिस मीनिंग, ब्रिंग फॉरवर्ड. ब्रिंग फॉरवर्ड मींस होता है समय आगे बढ़ा देना. ओके, गाइस, द फ्रेज नंबर 9, दैट इज ब्रिंग फोर्थ. ब्रिंग फोर्थ मींस होता है कुछ नया बनाना. ओके, कुछ नया इन्वेंट करना. वी आर गोइंग टू टेक टू एग्जांपल्स. एग्जांपल नंबर 1, द साइंटिस्ट्स आर ब्रिंगिंग फोर्थ something for saving the water. यानी कि साइंटिस्ट है ना कुछ नया बना रहे हैं वाटर को सेव करने के लिए. ओके, एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2, कंपनी हैज ब्रॉट the company has brought forth new rules to scale the sales. यानी कि कंपनी ने कुछ नए रूल्स लाए हैं, नए रूल्स बनाए हैं जो सेल्स को स्केल करने के लिए. सेल्स जो होती है ना उस बिक्री को बढ़ाने के लिए कंपनी ने नए रूल लाए हैं. तो these are the two examples with this interesting phrase, that is bring forth. Okay, so let's come or jump into the last one. Okay, so that is, I am going to tell you, that is really interesting. Believe me guys, okay, that you guys have to use in your day to life conversation. Is bring out. Bring out means होता है बाजार में उतारना, किसी चीज को बाजार में लाना. So you will be able to understand by the examples. Okay, example number 1, the Samsung brought out new series last year. यानी कि Samsung है ना, Samsung ने last year एक नई सीरीज बाजार में लाई. सैमसंग जो फोन है ना होते हैं उसकी एक नई सीरीज को बाजार में लाया सैमसंग ने. ओके, सो दिस इज एग्जांपल नंबर 1. एग्जांपल नंबर 2, दैट इज द कंपनी हैज brought out a new smartphone in the market. यानी कि कंपनी ने मार्केट में एक नया स्मार्टफोन लाया, यानी कि बाजार में उतारा. सो दीज आर द टू एग्जांपल विद दिस वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, दैट इज ब्रिंग आउट. सो आई हैव taught you the 10 different phrases with the meaning of bring. So these are the phrases that you guys can use in your day-to-day life. I already have uploaded 22 classes of this 30 days challenge. 22 into 10. How much it is? It is 220 phrases I have taught you. You guys, if you guys have learned only 50 to 60 phrases that you guys can use in your day-to-day life conversation, it will transform your life. Truly speaking, guys. And this has been the day 23, and there are only 7 days left. I will be continuing in this journey. You guys have to be consistent with me, and you will definitely learn a lot by using these phrases in your day-to-day life conversation. I have provided only 2 examples with each phrases. You guys can form multiple examples with these phrases. And truly speaking, if you are using these phrases in your day-to-day life conversation, you are going to learn this language very soon, very fast. In just 1 or 2 months, you will be able to speak very good English. Not normal, not common English. You will be able to speak advanced English. Okay, so if you found something relevant by watching this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Share it to all your friends who can also watch my videos and learn something from me. And I also want to learn very new things for me, so please comment on my video how am I making videos, and on what topic do I have to make videos on, and how am I making mistakes. So please tell me in the comment section, and please like kar dena and subscribe to my channel. Okay, have a good day. Bye bye.